everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy Dollar Tree hauls and Dollar Tree projects, you have definitely come to the right place. You can hit that subscribe button and stick around because you'll find new DIYs and tutorials here every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yes, I was super excited when Dollar Tree started putting out their Christmas craft section. I'm still very much impatiently waiting for them to put some of their decor up because I know it's gonna go fast. That's why I'm bringing you this haul today. So you might wanna grab them now before the season really gets started rolling on so that you can craft along with me in upcoming tutorials. Now I used these quite a bit last year in a lot of my tutorials, and I'll link that playlist down below. I used a lot of these buffalo check scarves, and they had freshly stocked these. So I picked up 5 of them, and I actually wish they had a lot more. Like I said in previous videos, I don't clear out the shelves because you guys need these too, and I hate just like going somewhere and not being able to find what I want, so I always leave some on the shelves. And so I didn't grab all of these, but if I find more, I'll be picking up more because I have lots of ideas of how I'm going to be using these. I also found these scarves. I don't remember seeing these at all last year. They're fleece again, but they're infinity scarves, and they're the red and black buffalo check. So again, I picked up 5 of these, and if I find more, I may actually buy more of these because this is what we decorated our home in the last couple of Christmases, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to stick with it again this year, so I may have lots more DIYs and crafts to make with these for our own home and also projects that I want to bring you guys. Also, I have 2 packages of these Christmas ornaments. These are a pack of 12, and really what I was looking for were ones that didn't have glitter on them because I feel like it could get in the way of the project I want to use these for. But these have half no glitter and half glitter, and they're probably about 2 inches in diameter. Next, I have 2 of these LED taper candles, and they are battery powered, so I love that. And they're just plain white. It says they will last for 240 hours each. Now this one, I wish I would have grabbed the white ones too. I grabbed these little red cardinals, and I'm not sure if I want to use the white birds or the red birds yet. I picked up the red birds because in my head this is what will work best for the project, and the white birds had little like pink beaks or something. They had some pink on them, which was a little bit weird to me, but I'm thinking about going ahead and grabbing the white birds as well because obviously you can always paint over the pink. But I have a pack of these 2 cardinals for a project. Now it's not Christmas time without jingle bells. Now I wanted really big silver jingle bells, and they didn't have those in my store. I'm not sure if they don't have them at all, or they just ran out of them at my store, or they just don't carry them at my store. So I'm still kind of on the hunt for big silver jingle bells, but they did have these medium-sized ones. There are 6 in a pack, and I grabbed 2 packs of those. My Dollar Tree had just put these out too. I have a feeling these are gonna go really, really quickly. They are the evergreen and pine cone with some red berries and also a sprig of a cotton stem in there. So I have 4 of these. These are actually really, really nice. I'm not the biggest fan of the evergreen in there. I like the more natural, real thin bristles. But this will still come in handy, and it even has some little holly leaves on there too, which will be cute for some projects. They also had different laser cut wood pieces. So this one says Merry and Bright. I'm not real sure what the other ones said, but this is the one that looked like it would be more of the farmhouse style, so that's why I grabbed this one. Now these are not in their Christmas section, but they are for a Christmas project, so I went ahead and threw these in here. I have 2 packs of the stove burner covers. So they come with this really big sized one, and then they come with the smaller sized one in there too. So like I said, I have 2 packs of those. And last, I grabbed more of these red and black buffalo check bags. I think these are going to come in really handy for some DIYs, and actually these would be really great as gift bags too. So instead of using the throwaway paper gift bags, You can stock up on these, which are the same price as the big gift bags, and use these to put your gifts in for the holidays, and they'd be super cute under your Christmas tree. So this was a pretty small haul. I just wanted to put only Christmas in this one. I've been so many times and grabbed so many different supplies, but I just wanted to keep this one just Christmas supplies or things that I'll be using for upcoming Christmas projects. But like I said, I'm really anxiously waiting for their home decor to come out. I actually got a catalog in the mail, and you can sign up too. It's called like Value Seekers Club or something, and they have a catalog order link on their website, so you could get it too. It's not just me, and it has like their Christmas decor in it, Christmas party supplies in it. It has candy in it, and it has everyday stuff in it too, like cleaning supplies and storage solutions. And it was actually really kind of nice because I could see in there they have some really cute red truck items that are going to be available soon, so I know I'm going to be snatching some of those up. But let me know down in the comments below, what item are you going to be hunting for that will help decorate your home for the holidays on a budget that you can get at Dollar Tree. Now last year I did a whole series. It was called the 12 Days of Dollar Tree DIYs, and I ran it from December 1st through December 12th. So every single day for 12 days in December, you got a new Dollar Tree DIY. If you'd like to see that come back and repeat for the 2019 holiday season, give this video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. You don't want to miss those upcoming tutorials. I also have my playlist full of Christmas DIYs in the link next to me. You can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, and I'll have that linked down below. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.